China's giant drone mothership explained. Jiu Tian swarm factory shocks the world. Imagine a single vessel capable of unleashing an unstoppable wave of drones, each one programmed to carry out precise missions across vast distances. That's exactly what China's new Jiu Tian drone carrier promises. A technological leap so significant that it has military analysts around the globe buzzing with both awe and concern. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this innovation a game-changing asset for global security? Or does it tip the scales too far in favor of offensive capabilities? Let's dive deeper into why this development is reshaping conversations about the future of warfare. At first glance, the sheer scale of the Jiu Tian is staggering. Weighing in at a hefty 11 tons, this colossal unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, can transport up to 100 smaller drones, collectively adding another 6.6 tons to its payload. These drones can be deployed over an astonishing range of 4,350 miles, making the Jiu Tian not just a tool but a force multiplier. Unveiled during China's prestigious Zhuhai Air Show, the carrier immediately captured international attention due to its ability to launch Kamikaze-style drones, loitering munitions designed to hover until their targets are identified before striking with devastating accuracy. China's investment in such advanced technology underscores its ambition to lead in defense innovation. The Jiu Tian isn't merely a piece of hardware. It represents a bold step toward redefining how wars might be fought in the skies. By enabling the deployment of coordinated drone swarms, it introduces a level of complexity that could overwhelm even the most sophisticated air defense systems currently in use. It's no wonder that experts are calling this development a potential turning point in aerial combat strategies. But let's pause for a moment. While the Jiu Tian's capabilities sound impressive on paper, there's more nuance to consider. Military analysts like Elsa Kanya from the Center for a New American Security caution against getting carried away by the hype surrounding China's latest advancements. Demonstrations of cutting-edge weaponry often serve dual purposes: deterrence and propaganda. And actual performance in real-world scenarios remains untested. So, while the idea of deploying hundreds of AI-coordinated drones sounds futuristic, the true measure of success will depend on how effectively the People's Liberation Army (PLA) integrates this system into its existing operations. And this is the part most people miss. The Jiu Tian's impact extends beyond traditional combat roles. Thanks to its modular design, this drone carrier holds immense promise for civilian applications as well. For instance, imagine using drone swarms to assess damage after earthquakes, locate survivors trapped under rubble, or monitor environmental changes in remote areas. In disaster-prone regions, these capabilities could mean the difference between life and death. This dual-use nature highlights how innovations originally intended for military purposes can also contribute positively to society. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The introduction of the Jiu Tian signals a paradigm shift in unmanned aerial warfare. As nations race to develop similar technologies, we're witnessing the dawn of an era where drone swarms could become a staple of military arsenals worldwide. What does this mean for global stability? Will countries find ways to regulate the use of such powerful tools? Or will they spark an arms race that escalates tensions further? These are questions worth pondering as the PLA prepares for operational testing of the Jiu Tian. The results of those tests will undoubtedly shape the trajectory of UAV technology in the coming years. As observers, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for a world where autonomous systems play a central role in conflict resolution? And if not, who should set the boundaries for their use? Your thoughts matter. Do you see this as a necessary evolution in defense technology? Or do you believe it poses risks we're unprepared to handle? Share your perspective in the comments below.